Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you gamers out there. We're diving into the world of mechanical gaming keyboards with the Riso Phi Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard has been making waves, and we're here to find out why it's considered one of the best mechanical keyboards for gaming on the market. So, let's not waste any time and jump right in. Before we get into the details, let's take a quick look at the Riso Phi Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This is a full-sized keyboard designed with gamers in mind. It comes with 104 keys, RGB backlighting, and blue mechanical switches. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's explore its features. First and foremost, let's talk about the key features that make this keyboard stand out. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its blue mechanical switches. These switches offer precise keystrokes, quick response times, and that satisfying clicky sound that many gamers love. It's ideal for gamers who want that tactile feedback and audible confirmation of key presses. The Riso Phi keyboard boasts RGB backlighting with 9 different color options and 5 levels of brightness and speed. Whether you're gaming in the dark or just want to add some flair to your setup, this keyboard has you covered. Durability is a key factor for any gaming keyboard. The Riso Phi keyboard features double injection ABS keycaps, making them more resistant to wear and tear. Plus, it's spill resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidents ruining your gaming session. Ergonomics are crucial for long gaming sessions. This keyboard features a stare-up keycap designed to reduce hand fatigue. It also includes 2 foldable rear kickstands to adjust the typing angle, ensuring you stay comfortable during those extended gaming sessions. With 100% anti-ghosting technology, this keyboard ensures that all your key presses are registered accurately, even during rapid combos. Additionally, it offers 12 multimedia shortcuts for quick access to calculator, media, volume control, and email. Now, let's dive into the unboxing and setup of the Riso Phi Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. So, how does the Riso Phi Mechanical Gaming Keyboard perform in real-world gaming scenarios? Let's find out. In conclusion, the Riso Phi Mechanical Gaming Keyboard has proven to be a top contender for gamers. With its blue mechanical switches, RGB backlighting, durable design, and ergonomic features, it ticks all the boxes for a fantastic gaming keyboard. If you're in the market for a reliable and affordable mechanical keyboard for gaming, the Riso Phi keyboard should be at the top of your list. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.